Representative of the press, dear Konstantinos, thank you for hosting us.
As the latest strikes on Kiev have shown, Russia still shows no genuine interest in peace, which was also the clear view of the ministers today. Moscow's direct threat to kill foreign diplomats in Kiev is a public announcement of a war crime. Ukraine's ask has been also one thing is very clear. Europe will never be a neutral mediator between Russia and Ukraine, because we are on Ukraine's side and we are defending our own core security interests. Thank you. All the concessions so far have been on Ukrainian side, but there should be also concessions on the Russian side, meaning that we should also help them in these negotiations, but we can't be mediators, really, because we are defending the interests of Europe and the interest of Ukraine, because Ukraine is also in Europe. So that's why, whether it's a ceasefire, whether it's, any other issue that I discussed before, then we can't be mediators, we can't be neutral, treating them equally, because we have been clearly on Ukraine's side. Who could be mediator? I think it is very important that we push Ukraine and Russia to talk to each other, because there are so many issues where only they can decide and nobody else. So we can, there can be countries that do this shuttle diplomacy, but in the end it has to be them who sit down on these issues that only they can decide. Have come forward with unconditional ceasefire is a prerequisite for any kind of peace negotiations. That was also underlined by ministers today. Russia must stop sabotage operations, cyber attacks, election interference, airspace violations across Europe.
Any exchanges at all, and also.
It is clear that all our efforts have to be also complementary to U.S. efforts, and ministers were also very clear about this. We are not, coming in instead of the United States, but we are actually addressing the issues that they haven't been addressing in these talks.
Thank you. Ansgar Hase, German press agency, DPA. A question to the High
Representative of the press, dear Konstantinos, thank you for hosting us.
As the latest strikes on Kiev